Hello everyone, this is Carolina with HoochLead.com. Today is Christmas Day and I have a very special pairing for today. I'm going to be smoking the Sobremesa by Steve Saka, and I'm going to be pairing it up with the Knob Creek Kentucky Straight Bourbon. So let me just get straight to the cigar here. I've been smoking the cigar ever since it was released in November, November I think it was released, and ever since I just fell in love. I've been smoking this since November, trying to do a pairing, been trying it with different whiskeys, different things, and it's just amazing. I'm just gonna get right into this. So this cigar is made at the Joya de Nicaragua factory in Nicaragua, obviously, and made by Steve Saka. Is very interesting, very highly anticipated cigar this year. It's Steve Saka's very first regular production under the Dunbarton Tobacco Trust, and it's just every single cigar that I had so far, I get a whole new beautiful experience. I have to tell you, it's the transitions on this cigar, the balanced flavors, it's just amazing. This one in particular that I'm smoking here is called the Americano. It's a 6x52. One of my probably favorite sizes of all of them. Get a lot of good flavors here. The draw is perfect. Construction, every single time, no matter what size, construction is always being on point. And this one is crazy, the amount of tobaccos that goes in this. It's got an Ecuadorian wrapper, a Mexican binder, and it's got like 4 different types of Nicaraguan fillers in it. So all those different types of tobaccos gives the cigar so many different flavors. The transitions, the complexity is just incredible. Every time you smoke this is try to put your finger on what's the flavor, what is this. It's really good. It really also depends on what you pair it up with. Today I'm gonna be drinking it with one of my favorite bourbons here. Is the Knob Creek Kentucky Straight Bourbon, made at the Claremont at the the Knob Creek Kentucky Claremont Distillery, and this one is a small batch, aged 9 years, and it's 100 proof. That additional aging really allows the bourbon to get all the sweetness from the wood, and it just makes it really rich and flavorful. Right, oh my god, it's just the nose right here. It's just the maple sugar that you get in it. Maybe a little bit like a cedar, but it's just the maple is what really gets into your nose at first. Wow, it's amazing at 100 proof. It's so smooth. It's got that mellow caramel balance between the caramel and the wood, like a cedar. It's got a very long, smooth finish to it. One of my favorite bourbons. So I'm going to tell you with the Sobremesa, one thing that I've noticed of all the cigars that I've tried since it released until today, I've been pairing it up with different types of bourbons. Most of them closer to like the 80 proof, maybe a little more. And I've noticed that if you smoke the cigar with a whiskey that has a lot of bite, a lot of burn to it, it can affect the flavors of the cigar and overpower the cigar. This is a medium to full body, maybe a little more into the medium than the full. So just because of that, whatever you pair it up with, you have to be not careful, but you know, if you pair it up with a high proof, you definitely has to be a bourbon that has a lot of sweetness and it's very mellow, just like the one that I'm drinking, the Knob Creek. It's very mellow, it's got those caramel notes. So as far as bourbons goes, with this cigar, I would recommend the Knob Creek. I also tried this cigar with coffee, and I have to tell you, I discovered so many amazing flavors, and that's a different video that I'm gonna do where I'm gonna be smoking this with a nice cappuccino, and I'm gonna tell you in the next video. One of the interesting flavors that I get every single time, the smoke, when you first smoke it, you get that taste of like a licorice taste to it. And this is funny, it's kind of like reminds me a little bit of the Jolly Rancher, the black one, like that licorice taste to it. That's a little bit what you get when you first taste this bourbon. You get that little licorice taste, like a black licorice taste to it. Oh, it's so sweet and mellow. I really love it. You get that cedar, it's creamy. It's really an overall good smoke. This is definitely in my rotation. I've been smoking it almost every day, I must say, and it's perfect for any time of the day for sure. What I also like is that it's got the natural sweetness, the natural tobacco sweet finish to it. So this is a great pairing. Just keep in mind, if you're gonna pair it up with any of your bourbons, make sure that it's mellow bourbon that has no burn. Otherwise, you're gonna just kill it, and the experience is just gonna completely change. So, well, there you have it. This is the Nut Creek Kentucky Straight Bourbon and the Sobremesa. Really great cigar. I encourage you to give it a try if you have not yet, and then explore with different types of bourbons and a coffee. I'm going to tell you that again in the next video. Well, that was it for today. Merry Christmas to everybody and Happy New Year. I'll see you next time.